kiss is just a kiss, a sigh is just a sigh. The fundamental things apply as time goes by. And when two lovers woo, they still say I love you. On that you can rely. Frankie! No matter what the feeling.
Ah, shut up. That's the last straw. Look, Junior, how many times have I told you to button up your tonsils? Well, looky here. That emaciated character out there gives me an idea. Maybe I can save myself a few years in the pokey. Can I see a minute, son?
What do you want?
Now, looky here, friend. Foraging around in that backyard buffet out there isn't exactly conducive to one's health.
Why not?
No vitamins. There's just no vitamins, friend.
Vitamins? Well, how do you get vitamins?
I'm glad you asked me that, son. By a strange coincidence, I'm in a position to help you. Now, here's the idea. All you have to do is sneak around at the back door. I'll let you in.
Wrong, would it be wrong to kiss, seeing I feel like this? Would it be wrong to try?
Hit the road, stupid! Yeah, thanks anyway, pal. But I'm going back to the garbage cans.
Now, wait a minute, son. How about those vitamins you need? You know there's more than one way to skin a a canary. Now, here's an idea that you can't miss. All you have to do is take this soap and latch onto a knife and start carving.
Run, would it be wrong to stay here in your arms this way, under the starry sky? If it is wrong, then why were you sent to me? Why am I content to be with you forever?
Ideas. But maybe I do need vitamins.
This idea's a killer, son, believe me. Just take this buckshot and sprinkle it in the cup.
Of you only, and wishing you were by my side. You know, my dear, when you're not here, there's no one to romance with. So if I'm seen with someone else, it's just someone to dance with. Every letter that you sent me, I read a dozen times or more. Anyway, listen to him fizz.
You must remember this.
Yes, who?
Well, now that's a shame, son. But don't you worry a bit. Now here's the best idea.
Well, wait a minute. I got an idea this time.
As time goes by, and when two lovers woo, they still say boo. On that you can rely. There's nothing like vitamins.